On March 14, 2025, an unexpectedly bizarre storm of ratings suddenly and unprecedentedly hit. In just 24 hours, our product received 12 one-star reviews, all in a single day. But strangely, these accounts had never purchased our product, yet claimed the product was terrible, the service was terrible, and the efficacy was terrible. Is this a coincidence, or is there more to the story? Hello, I am Jane, and warmly welcome you as the host of the Near and Dear channel. Today, we will delve into the intriguing enigma that surrounds negative reviews targeting a brand. Why do 7 real users choose to buy our product every day, yet anonymous reviewers seem to know more about Shockwave phenomena than they do? On March 14th, all our product links suffered indiscriminate negative review attacks. Let's first take a look at the first review together. The user claims to be satisfied with the treatment effect, yet still gives a 1-star review. Contradiction 1. How can a patient who hasn't seriously purchased the product experience its effects? Contradiction 2. On one hand, claiming to be able to play tennis 3 times a week after treatment, but on the other hand, giving a 1-star review. According to Amazon's policy in the United States, users who have not purchased the product can also leave reviews. So who exactly are these anonymous non-purchasing users? And why are they leaving such reviews? Let's take a look at the following 2 comments. A negative review claims that the after-sales service is poor and there is no response to complaints. But the truth is, our team strictly adheres to the 24-hour response commitment, and all after-sales emails are handled within 24 hours. In fact, 80% of the 5-star review users explicitly acknowledged our service in their reviews. What is even more reassuring is that on the same day the negative review appeared, a customer proactively contacted us saying, "Your competitors are giving you bad reviews of the product on Amazon. I let you know just because I love your product." Even customers can see that these negative reviews are fabricated and not objective. If our service were as bad as the negative reviews claim, why would customers take the initiative to report it to the platform? The following comments claim that our product quality is poor, but in fact, every one of our Shockwave products is strictly executed according to the quality standard system, from the entry of raw materials to every step in the production process, and finally, to the final factory inspection. Every positive review from users corresponds to a real purchase record. But do those anonymous negative reviewers really understand our products? And this negative review claims that a patient was recommended to use Shockwave therapy to treat his herniated lumbar disc, and after using it, his symptoms worsened. Regarding this point, we must seriously point out that in the product manual and on the official website's contraindications, the 7th item clearly states that patients with ruptured or severely damaged muscles or fascia, as well as areas involving the brain, spinal cord, major blood vessels, and important nerve trunks, are prohibited from using Shockwave therapy. If the recommending doctor is not even aware of this basic contraindication, we have to ask whether this doctor is qualified to handle medical devices. And is such medical behavior truly about treating and saving lives, or is it causing harm? Is this so-called case a malicious fabrication or a medical accident? From our Amazon backend data, it's not hard to see that 80% of users have cast a vote of trust with a 5-star review. The choices of real consumers do not lie. Compared to those anonymous negative reviews, these evaluations from real users are more convincing.
Pervita medical is a life changer.
I'm the 80%.
I'm the 80%.
According to Amazon's anti-review manipulation policy, it is strictly prohibited for competitors to fabricate reviews. Here, we sincerely thank the Amazon platform for consistently upholding fair and just operational principles and for establishing a comprehensive anti-fraud system. At the same time, we also thank them for their professional attitude in quickly responding to violations.
In 2024, the sales of Pervita Medical steadily increased, maintaining a 52% market share in its category on Amazon US throughout the year. From January to March 2025, up until the month of the negative review, an average of 7 customers chose to use our product every day.
So let me ask, if the product is really as bad as the negative reviews claim,
Why do consumers continue to vote with their hard-earned money? And why is it that our market share can capture half of the industry's market? Would these tangible sales figures really collaborate with negative reviews to perform magic? This incident has strengthened our resolve on two matters. First, the true choice of users is the only standard to test a product. Second, no malicious attack can shake our determination to uphold quality. We have always done and will continue to do only one thing: use professionalism to standardize shockwave therapy so that patients truly benefit. Because healthcare has never been a battlefield of public opinion, but a responsibility concerning life. The truth never needs to be explained twice. We speak with data and prove with efficacy. We are Pervita Medical. Professionalism is our stance. Pervita, standards never compromise.